Hey guys, it's Christy here, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. I got this off of Instagram. I want to give away, but it's still great products. It's from Dermalogica. It's called Clear Start. So it's another, this is mainly for acne prone skin, and it's really good because this is what I use normally, Dermalogica. And they sent me a whole line of their items so that I could try it. Let's see. And sometimes sorry, I haven't been doing videos because I lost my voice and I just had sore throat and I wasn't feeling too good. And yeah, come on. And there she is, the girl. Okay, but if you guys are sometimes I deal with acne, like adult acne, I guess around here, and occasional here and stuff, but this is I think mainly hormones. If you look on the face chart, this part is your hormones, so that's where I pop up with a lot of acne. Sorry, this is not really professional, right? Hey, get down from there, come on. Should I see what's going on? Okay, so let's go. I'll show you the products that I got. So if you guys are I know their products are really good, but if you guys are battling with acne, teen acne, if you're in your 20s or whatever, this probably might be a good line for you because it does have salicylic acid. So if you're going to purchase stuff from the store, it's not going to have a big percentage of, say, the salicylic acid. As long as they have some in there, they're going to say that it does have it. But this one here, the all over, this is the toner. Okay, let's start with what we're going to use first. Okay. So this one here, sorry if you guys can't hear me. This one here is it has a 0.5 salicylic acid in it. And this one is Breakout Clearing Foaming Wash. So that's what salicylic acid is great for acne and stuff like that, yeah. So they gave me the whole line, so that was awesome. So it just comes in a pretty bottle like this. Foaming. The one thing I like about this, it came with some sunscreen, so that's really good. So we would use the foaming wash first. I don't know if I'm going to use this or give this to my son because he's breaking out with acne as well, so I can give it to them. And the second thing I have is a toner, all over toner. This has 1% of salicylic acid. So you would use this after. So we're going to go in line. Use the foaming cleanser, then you're going to use this. Okay, and then they gave me 3 more items. So they gave me hydrating lotion. It's they call lotion their moisturizer. So these are pretty decent sized bottles. I think they're food size bottles. And if you just spend just a little bit more on your face products, you're gonna get very good products. I'm not saying that the drugstore is bad products, but I like to spend a little bit more for my face care because I know they're professional products and they'll, you see results faster than the ones from the store. Okay, come on. So some of these cost at least $20 or more per product. I'll leave a link down, then you guys can probably check them out. And this one here is the Banished Breakout Clear Start. So it's just like a spot treatment. It says clears breakout causing bacteria in 15 minutes. And then you just apply it and then it'll reduce it in 15 minutes. So that's a good one. So how we can use it probably is you can use a booster, or you can use a spot treatment anytime, I guess. And this one here is the Clearing Defense SPF 30. This is the sunscreen. And these are really good products. They're certified cruelty free, gluten and vegan. So not a lot of places put that they are certified. They just put we're cruelty free. You know what I mean? So can we believe that they are cruelty free? But yeah, I might just give these to my son because they're always breaking out and they live in one household, so that might be great for them. But I think I might just keep this here. Hopefully they'll use it if I give it to them. But yeah, that was my winnings from Instagram. The first time I won face care, I won 1 year of Pavonia products, and they're also a professional product that you can buy in the spa or online. These you can buy at Ulta and any Dermalogica spa or even online. But these are really great products if you're breaking out. I haven't tried them yet, but I've tried most of their products and I really love them. They're more on the scientific end of things. Like you see, there's other products, maybe Aveda, they're more plant-based, and you have the Pavonia, they're also like plant-based, or there's another one called Reposage. They're more for like seaweed, you know, beauty through the sea. So these guys are more scientific in the lab, but they're always gonna not put things that are bad for your face into their products. So they try to make things that are effective, not like 6 months you'll see the, you know, the results. They try to make things that are more, the more you pay on your skincare, the more results you'll see faster because they have more of the active ingredients in them. So yeah, so this is my share for today and I was so happy to receive it. Oh, and then we'll see you guys next time. Sorry I haven't been uploading lately, but I've been kind of sick and down and stuff. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, okay?